Yo guys, what is going on? Brandon, I'm back with another video. Hope you've all had a good day, a good week, good month, good year, good everything. I hope lockdown's treating you decent and I hope you're all staying safe as well. Today I'm going to be talking about the Canon Nifty 50 lens, which is the 50mm Canon EF mount, which is a 1.8 in case you didn't know. And yeah, let's get into the video. I am 4 subs away from 100 subs, which is a good goal of mine, and I wanted to hit that by before the end of the year, and we're already there. So if you could get those 4 subs, that'd be amazing. And make sure you obviously like the video, subscribe, and put the notification bell on so you know when I upload. But yeah, let's get into today's video. Today we are talking about this little bad boy, the Canon 50mm lens, which is only on the market for 99 quid or $120, whatever it is in America. But yeah, let's get into some little statistics of this lens. And yeah, this lens offers you an aperture of 1.8, which is a really good aperture to get on such a cheap lens. It means you're able to get those nice blurry backgrounds, nice low light shots. When you put it on the camera, it'll give you the little bar which will tell you to have 1.8, or it can have, I think it's a 12 aperture, which is just everything in focus, low, like, you know, all that stuff. It's a 49mm diameter, which, so if you're going to get some filters for this lens, you have to be aware of that, so it fits obviously. But filters are definitely a must get, because it helps you, you know, adapt to the lighting you've got if your camera can't, and it just dims it if it's got sharp lighting. So with the sun beaming on it, you can put a filter on, it'd be like sunglasses in a way. So if you're going to get this lens, the best sort of shots are, you know, like cinematic shots where it's quite a serious mood with a lower light, with that dramatic lighting. Or if you're using it for portrait shots for like business, as a company or as a hobby or just for fun, it'd be good to use this lens for that, as it does, like I said, get a nice blurry background, or even just with a nice white sheet as a background. It just helps that shot a lot. Make sure that subject is really in focus. It is a prime lens, so you can't zoom in or out. It's just that 50mm, that's all you can get. And obviously if your camera's got a crop like mine, you times that crop. So mine's 1.1, you times that by 50. So it's essentially mine is a 60mm lens, but whatever yours is, if it's got a crop or not. If it hasn't, that's spot on. If it has, then you just got to times it by what the length of the camera, length of the lens is. And of course it is EF mounts, that's Canon mounts, not mirrorless, but I use the adapter, which I did do a video on, so if you want to watch that, it's up there. But yeah, so if you want to fit it to Sony, Nikon, stuff like that, you need an adapter. But with the mirrorless mount, they do a speed booster, which is what I use. And yeah, and it fits straight on, it's good. Good thing about this lens as well, it doesn't distort faces, so when you're doing that portrait photography, it won't distort the face, it'll keep it nice and crisp, you know, all in focus and stuff like that, which is also good for the price. And you got to remember, everything I'm telling you is all good in that, and it's only 99 quid. Like, it's so, like, don't get me wrong, it's plastic. Oh, fucking hell. It's plastic, but what else do you expect with 99 quid? You're getting all of this, you know, nice blurry background, good shots, good low lighting and stuff, but for £99, you can't expect it to be made out of, you know, carbon fibre or anything. But it does the job. You just chuck it about, you know, chuck it a bag, like, oh, I've got a shoot here, pop it off on the camera, boom, in your bag, off it go. You know, it's just that sort of lens, it's quality. And then obviously with this, you can just save for those bigger lenses, you know, that aren't prime, but oh, I've got a low aperture like this, and then move up in your, you know, in your business or whatever you're doing it for. And of course with this lens, it's super fast. Like with the shutter speed, you can have a nice quick, just to capture the moment. It can go, I believe, up to like 5,000, like, and then it can do low shutters. So if you want to get the light or blurry movement of, you know, subjects moving or vehicle, it can do that. But what I like about it the most, like if you're doing football photography, let's say, and you want to capture someone about to kick the ball, boom, you got that straight away, and it's nice and crisp. You can go around and you can see it's all in that one frame, which is amazing. And of course I'll keep going on about it, but the depth of field on this camera, I can't express enough how good it is. I'll show you some photos I've taken while I'm talking now, but for 50mm lens, 1.8 aperture, it's just so blurry. It's just unreal. I'll compare it to the lens I've got now, which the minute lowest it can go is 3.5, and it will show you how good it is. Of course, with this lens, it expands your knowledge of lenses. You can learn so much from this, just from what shots you can take, what you learn, like aperture. If you want me to do a video on what each of them are, ISO, aperture, shutter speed, then just give this video a like, and I'll do that next video. That's not a problem at all. But yeah, you can learn so much from this lens, just from seeing what you can do with it. Take it to the max, really. It's just, I'll put a link to where you can buy this in the description down below, because I imagine maybe some of you, might be one person from here that would be like, oh yeah, that helped a lot, and there might be not. So as long as you have that option to actually look up on it and see if I didn't talk enough on it, just let me know in the comments. But yeah, so of course that will be the end of today's video. Give me some feedback in the comments if I didn't talk about it enough and what I could do better next time. But if you did like it, just give me a thumbs up, subscribe, put the bell on, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please make sure to subscribe. I'm 4 away from 100. That's just my first goal, and if I get that, it'll be 500,000, wherever it takes me from there. But to get 100 means a lot. There's 100 of you subscribed to my channel, which is pretty sick. It might not sound a lot, but it is at the end of the day. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.